Hello again, Danish friend. Hello. I finally learned how to pronounce the Danish vowel Ø. Oh, that is adorable. Congratulations. Thank you so much. So now you think you can pronounce the letter Ø in all the Danish words, right? Right. Wrong. Oh. While there are only 9 vowels in the Danish alphabet, we actually have around 40 different vowel sounds in our language. Oh. Which makes it almost impossible for foreigners to get every single one of them right. Isn't that just great? So for the letter Ø, we actually have 3 different sounds, and for each of those sounds, there is both a short, a long, and a glottal stop version of those. But I thought that ønske, nøle, sø, then there's skønne, drøne, drøner, but it's just one letter. And then we have tørre, røre, berøre. Oh, and of course we also have a few different vowels in Danish that are not Ø, but sound like Ø. Help. Hey, how do you say sheep in Danish? Får. And how do you say have? Får. How do you say dad? Far. What is a short expression for because? For. Okay, how do you say few? Få. And how do you say too, as in too many in Danish? For. How do you tell those words apart? What do you mean? That's easy. Listen to this dialogue between a son and a father. Far for får, for får, for får, for får, for får, for ikke får, for lam.